top 3 aha moments you had as a scientist that shaped your trajectory?
Yeah, so top 3 aha moments. I can either think of like actually scientific things, but also of more human things that happened.
Whatever works. It can be 5.
Yeah, so like from a human point of view, or like from a more learning myself and learning to be a scientist, I think what I learned is that you will always feel like you know nothing, and that is completely fine. And I think that is actually why you stay curious, and why I mean, right now in Alice's lab, we're doing a lot of things that I've never seen before, never done before. There's a lot of chemistry happening that I've never seen before because I'm not a chemist. And I think it's actually interesting to, after your PhD, because when you're a PhD and then you're about to finish, you're actually quite senior typically in the lab. And then you start your postdoc and you kind of like have this whole moment of learning again. And it's very refreshing, and it's very challenging as well. But you kind of realize how little you know, and it's good. I think it's a good thing to be reminded of, that you know very little, and it also pushes me to learn more.
Yeah, I feel like it's a very humbling thing as well.
Yeah, very much, very much. And another thing that I really, and I think this is part of the COVID story, is I cannot underappreciate like colleagues. I think having good colleagues and having colleagues that you can rely and trust on and that are your friends is an essential part of the lab, and essential part of what motivates me also to come to lab. And you know, I think for nobody can say that their PhD was easy or that it was like a walk in the park. There will always be moments that are extremely frustrating for one reason or another. And I think being able to share that and having a little community, your own little community, even if it's one person, but you know, as long as you have that, I think that helps a lot in getting through the PhD, but also getting through your job